If your suitcase still has tiny wheels and a leash, and your travel system is a plastic grocery bag full of chargers, we need to talk. Hello, soon-to-be jet setters. Today we are building a complete, stylish, functional adult travel starter kit for under $500. Not pretend under $500, not, well, technically if everything is on sale during a lunar eclipse, under $500. I mean realistic, practical, polished, and actually usable. If I had to put together travel essentials for a new traveler, this is what I'd buy. P.S. Graduation is fast approaching, and any combo of these items would make a great gift for that new grad who's just venturing out into the world. I will include a link to an Amazon list if that's your best option, and direct links when possible. I will also give you elevated alternatives in case you're feeling financially bold. These are all products I own or have gifted to others. All right, let's go. First of all, we're not traveling with a floppy suitcase that looks like it survived 3 divorces. We're starting strong with a level 8 carry-on in textured pickle green. Yes, pickle green. Because black luggage is anonymous. Black luggage says, I will be circling baggage claim for 17 minutes because I do not see my bag. Pickle green says, that one is mine, without screaming, look at me, I'm on vacation. This suitcase is textured so it doesn't show every little scratch, structured so it protects all your stuff, sleek without trying too hard, and small enough to meet carry-on requirements for most airlines. The wheels glide like butter, and my favorite part is that both interior compartments zip shut so nothing flies out of your case when you unzip it. Now let's discuss your personal item. If you're still using a random bag that collapses into itself like it's emotionally overwhelmed, let's not do that. We're upgrading. The Bag Smart Blast Travel Backpack in beige is doing the heavy lifting here. First of all, beige sounds dangerous. However, do not panic. This thing wipes clean. Seriously, it fits a 17.3-inch laptop, which means just about every size of laptop. I love the structured compartments and the zipper sections that actually make sense. The luggage pass-through is mandatory, so it slides over your suitcase, and the secret back safety pocket is super convenient. It looks polished. It says, I have a gate number and a backup charger. After a semi-exhaustive search for the perfect toiletry bag, I have found it. This is a grown-up toiletry system. It hangs, it zips, it separates your life into sections. You can see everything at once instead of digging like you're on an archaeological expedition. Navy is my favorite, but it comes in a bunch of other colors to suit you. These are for your liquids. These little guys are great because they shrink as you use the product, so you end up with more space for souvenir magnets on your way home, and they do not leak. Compression cubes are also magic. You put the clothes in, you zip, you compress, suddenly you're a packing genius. The seaside dots pattern is cute without being childish. It gives, I'm organized but also fun. Packing cubes separate clothing types, prevent rummaging, maximize space, keep dirty clothes contained, and make unpacking at your destination wicked fast. You'll wonder how you ever traveled without them. Actually, you'll remember, and it was chaos and not enough hotel drawers. Let's talk tech, because nothing ruins a travel day faster than a 4% battery and no outlet. This USB-C, USB-A wall plug hub, we chose red on purpose because when it's bright red, you will not leave it plugged into the airport wall like a sacrifice to the travel gods. These are slim, fast-charging, compact, turn one outlet into 4, and have foldable prongs that prevent damage. The 2-pack is nice because you can keep one in your backpack and one in your suitcase. No sharing, no fighting, no drama. Then the portable charger. Anchor does not play games. This is the portable charger you use when your flight is delayed, your gate changes 3 times, or you're navigating a new city. It's reliable, compact, and powerful, and most importantly, it doesn't need an extra cord to charge your phone. The Thread Wallet's small crossbody in honey. Honey color is warm. It goes with everything. It feels elevated. This bag is compact, lightweight, secure, and big enough for the essentials. If you want to elevate, you can upgrade to the Minui Aphrodite crossbody. This is for when you want more structure and a little more polish and a little more security. It feels luxe, it holds its shape beautifully, it transitions from airport to dinner without screaming, I just went through security. Choose the one you want based on your vibe. Minimal and light, the Thread Wallet's crossbody. Structured and elevated, the Manui Aphrodite. Alright, then the Thread Wallet's slim minimalist card holder. If your wallet is thick enough to qualify as a flotation device, we're going to need to simplify. This minimalist card holder fits cards, fits cash, and takes up very little space. Travel is not the time for lugging around every loyalty card you own. This foldable travel duffel bag. Listen, you will shop, you will acquire things, you will not regret packing this. This foldable duffel lives in your suitcase until you need it. It folds flat, it's lightweight, it saves you from sitting on your suitcase trying to zip it. Cram all your dirty clothes in it and check it on the way home. The Owala Free Sip insulated stainless steel water bottle. First of all, summer sweetness is the kind of name we can support. Second, this bottle keeps water cold forever, has a dual sip option, fits in backpack side pockets, and does not leak ever. Stop paying $7 for a disposable bottle of water. Hydrate or dihydrate. Now, if you have a little extra to spend, I have 2 upgrades that change the game. First off, the Amazon Kindle. Lightweight reading material without carrying 3 paperbacks just in case. You can download books instantly, read at the pool without any glare, read in the hotel late at night when jet lag or insomnia is kicking your hiney. And then the AirPods 4. I like AirPods over over-the-ear headphones because of their size, but let us take a moment for the voice isolation feature on these. I have stood directly under a working roller coaster, and the person I was talking to couldn't tell. The sound is clean, the mic is clear, they're tiny, and they're worth the price. Now, depending on pricing fluctuations, this entire core setup lands right around that under $500 sweet spot. Let's math it out. This kit works because it's cohesive without being matchy, feminine without being fussy, and also has unisex options. And most importantly, it's practical without being boring. It says, I've done this before, even if this is your first real travel setup. If this helped you rethink your travel setup, give this video a thumbs up so I know you want more practical breakdowns like this. Make sure you check the description for all the links, and if you appreciate organized travel, realistic budgets, and a little sarcasm with your suitcase recommendations, go ahead and subscribe. Because now we are traveling prepared, polished, and with a bright red charger so we never leave it behind again. Thanks for watching.